everyone. So I'll just start the meeting now. So welcome to today's Livingston session. So myself Annie Jones from Community Outreach Team of Zenonco.io and Love is Cancer. So today we are having art therapy session with Vidhi Desai Parik. She is a counseling psychologist, dance therapy practitioner, and a certified storyteller. She is presently working with helplines dealing with mental health and their association. She is a counselor with different NGOs supporting their journey as well. She also does clinical practice at Lions Sports Pavilion, Mulund, and conducts various workshops about mental health and dance movement. Welcome to the Desai ma'am towards the session. I'll be handing over the session to you now. Thank you.
Thank you, Annie. Good morning, everyone. And I can just, if I can request all of y'all, if you can just put your cameras on, that'll be really nice. All right, great. Thank you. So we are going to, yes. So good to see y'all. Hello. It's nice to see all of y'all. All right. So today's session is something different where we are going to, explore art in a way. It's not necessary that we have to be an artist. Honestly, I don't have any degree in art. Like my grades in art used to be 0. Like I was so bad. But I think for me, what has defined more in art is how does it make me feel? Like, once I'm done doing my artwork, how is it, how does that make me feel? And that is what I think I am really focusing on today for all of us. We are going to and this is going to be like an interactive session, so don't expect me to just keep blabbering through the session. I'm not going to do that. I'd rather like to hear from all of y'all how your journeys have been, how are y'all doing, so eventually we'll move ahead. So as Annie said, I'm Vidhi, and right now I'm based out of Bombay. We're just going to quickly start with the introduction round, where all of us can just say our names and just say, just define how are we feeling right now in terms of the weather. So for me right now, the weather feels beautiful, and it's like it just feels like the weather is summer for me right now, even if it is not summer, but for me right now it feels as summer. So even I love this weather. So I just invite anybody to just start, and we can just say our names and how are you feeling. We can just begin. You can unmute and say.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, good morning, Vidhi ma'am. Hi, Annie. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Ayushi?
I am very much happy now because I am looking forward to explore something good in this session. And yeah, my name is Ayushi. And see, the thing is that why I am here, because I would like to discuss, I would like to know about mental health, because this is something which is now a challenging topic in our society. और मुझे लगता है कि इसके बारे में बात करना इट्स वेरी मच इजी एंड इट्स वेरी मच नेसेसरी. सो इंडिया में क्या होता है, इंडिया में इस चीज को इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ टैबू कि इस चीज के बारे में बात ना की जाए तो बहुत बेटर है. बट आई बिलीव कि अभी जो टाइम चल रहा है, इट इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी टू डिस्कस ऑन मेंटल हेल्थ. एंड ये कोई पनिशमेंट नहीं है, ये कोई टैबू नहीं है. सो यस, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर सम मोस्ट यूजफुल इंफॉर्मेशन इन दिस सेशन फ्रॉम विधि मैम एंड ऑफ कोर्स फ्रॉम एनी एज वेल. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Ayushi.
Yeah, I think I have given my introduction before. So I'm from the community outreach team of Zenonco and Love is Cancer, but I'm basically a dentist by profession. Yeah. And like Ayushi said, okay, it's important to talk about mental health at this stage. Okay, yeah, and I think everyone should be more aware about the mental health. And I don't know much about art. I can't even draw a circle myself. So I don't know how this art therapy session works, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it, and I'll definitely, and yeah, really looking forward to it. So
Thank you.
Anyone else wants to give an introduction? You can go ahead right now.
Yeah, we'd love if everyone can just maybe say their names and how is the weather with them right now. Annie, you didn't mention the weather feeling.
The weather is really
weather is In my end, weather is very good.
Okay.
It's quite rainy, but yeah, cool, good.
Okay, great, great.
हेलो
हेलो।
हाँ, आई एम अंजू चौहान और हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स चलेगी ना?
परफेक्ट, बिल्कुल चलेगा।
तो मेरे को ये जो आपने आज टॉपिक दिया ना वो कि आर्ट संबंधी है, तो मैं बचपन से बहुत आर्ट लविंग रही हूँ और क्रिएटिव रही हूँ, पर मम्मा ने कहा बायोलॉजी और डॉक्टर ही बनना है, तो चलो छोड़ना पड़ा वो आर्ट। बाकी मैं बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग कर लेती थी, वाटर कलर, पेंसिल शेड वगैरह से। तो मुझे लगा कि आज कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा, और अब 52 इयर्स हो गए हैं, तो अपनी हॉबीज और अपने शौक को पूरा करने का ये सही टाइम है, इसलिए मैं आज जुड़ गई हूँ। टाइम भी मिल गया, मैच हो गया, मैं अभी घर पे हूँ, वरना तो मैं जॉब प्लेस पे होती तो नहीं हो सकता था। तो अच्छा लगेगा आपसे बात करके, सबसे कुछ नया सीखेंगे, खुश होंगे। ये टाइम हमको खुश रहने का है बस। उदयपुर से हूँ, सिटी ऑफ लेक्स,
वाओ।
दुनिया में सबसे सुंदर दूसरी सिटी हमारी पेरिस के बाद। तो सब जने आओ, इससे पहले कि कोरोना लहर आ जाए, एक बार घूम जाओ हमारा इस शहर।
श्योर, थैंक यू इतना स्वीट इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए। यस, या सृष्टि, लाइक टू गो
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट?
Hi, Vidhi, Srishti. I finished my MBA and I'm working right now. So how I landed up in this session is I follow Zenko on LinkedIn. So that's how I got a reference, and it seemed like a very interesting session. What can you do differently? And like middle of the week, I thought, why not take out an hour and see if you can do something about it? Like they release out the pressure that has built up, because there's still half of the week to go forward, look forward to. From a weather perspective, it's really nice and pleasant here. It's not raining, but it's like very windy weather. So it's like a great place to be.
Great, great. Thank you. Glad you are here. And yeah, yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning to all. I am Professor Shankara Ogle from Pune, Maharashtra. Actually, I told my daughter about this program yesterday night, but she has her school lecture, so up to 1:30, so she can't join. That's why I'm joining. I'm actually now from college, but we thought we may join up to 11:45 because I have lecture from 11:45 to 12:45. But up to 11:45, I will be benefited from all of you. And from that psychological section, I am totally new. I don't know about anything about this part, but I want to know for my daughter about psychological and that section. And in here Pune, the weather is it's very rainy. In Maharashtra, you know that there are more parts where rain is falling continuously, but rainy is there and some sunlight is there for about 5 to 10 minutes. That mix season is here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for your amazing introductions. तो हम एक्चुअली आज हम जो करने वाले हैं वो ये है कि अभी हम जो भी हमारे पास समय है वो हम खुद के लिए देने वाले हैं। मेंटल हेल्थ और ये सारी चीजें बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये हमें पता है, तो क्यों ना हम पहले खुद के लिए थोड़ा समय दें आर्ट के माध्यम से, और फिर हम देखेंगे, क्योंकि मेंटल हेल्थ में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। एंड आप सुनते होंगे, आपने पढ़ा होगा, वीडियोस देखे होंगे, लोगों से सुना होगा कि डिप्रेशन हो रहा है, एंजाइटी हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है। तो वो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, वो एक कंप्लीट डिफरेंट पार्ट हो जाता है। बट मुझे लगता है कि अगर हम खुद के लिए दिन में कंसिस्टेंटली रोज थोड़ा समय भी निकाल ले तो हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ एकदम सही रहेगी। तो आई एम ग्लैड कि आप लोग आज यहाँ पर है और हम लोग हमारा आर्ट सेशन शुरू करते हैं। मैं कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं करवाने वाली हूँ, जैसे मैंने बोला मैं कोई सर्टिफाइड आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट नहीं हूँ, पर मैं काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ। तो एक मीडियम है जो हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है विच इज कॉल्ड आर्ट सर्कल। उसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि आप सबके पास पेपर और कलर्स है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
अरेंज कर लेती हूँ, यही रखा है।
चलेगा, हाँ। तो पेपर और कलर्स आपके पास रखिए।
I don't have colors. I have a pen.
चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो वरीज। आई थिंक वी कैन मेक आर्ट विद व्हाटएवर वी हैव। आर्ट के लिए जरूरी नहीं है, अगर नहीं भी मिल रहा है तो आप कुछ भी पेंसिल, पेन्स, अगर आपके पास फेविकॉल है, आप कुछ न्यूज़पेपर्स है, आप कुछ भी चीजों से आर्ट कर सकते हैं। सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो पोस्टर और पेस्टल कलर्स ही चाहिए हमें, ऐसा कुछ मैंडेटरी नहीं है। ओके, ग्रेट। So once Anjuji is done, then we can begin. Yeah. Okay. Great. So first, I'd just like to take everyone through like a 2 minute silence, जहाँ पे हम I request कि हम सब अपनी आंखें बंद करेंगे, एक हल्का सा म्यूजिक प्ले होगा and we're just getting into the process कि हम अभी कुछ करने जा रहे हैं। तो before that we want to disconnect, 10 चीजें दिमाग में चलती है, हम कितना भी नहीं बोले, तो we are just going to disconnect from that world and we are going to give अपने आप को time, and that is why we are going to just close our eyes. If possible, just focus on our breath for just next 2 minutes and I'll say when to stop. So you can just let me know if you can just a moment. Very slowly inviting all of you all back to the present.
बैठो उधर बैठो, वहाँ पे बैठे, यहाँ पे शो होता है, यहाँ पर कैमरा, उधर बैठो जाके।
And so what we can do is, since we have our papers and colors सब कुछ ready है हमारे पास, for the next at least say 20 minutes, जो अभी टाइम है हम सिर्फ आपको देने वाले हैं। एंड आई नो कि शायद आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि अरे मुझे ड्राइंग नहीं आता है या मुझे पेंटिंग नहीं आता है, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली ओके। something that either you feel that makes you feel very light. So for example, like for me, my one of the best memories of my childhood was playing. Like I used to love playing. So anything that you feel which makes you feel happy. So it can be playing in the garden, or which you think right now, maybe going by the sea and sitting by the sea, or anything which makes you happy. We have to draw that. We have to color that. If you don't have colors, no worries. If you think you would want to write about it, you can write. ऐसा नहीं है कि art is only when you draw and color. बट हमारा इंटेंशन है कि हम आगे के जो 20 मिनट है वो हम अपने आप के साथ कनेक्ट करें. एंड जब हम अपने आप के साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे तो वी जस्ट गोइंग टू बी इन दैट प्रोसेस. सो आई होप आई एम, अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट्स है तो यू कैन आस्क मी. I'll not be talking for the next 20 minutes because there'll be a music which will be played. I rather want कि हम अपने आप के साथ रहे in these 20 minutes. It's okay if you keep your video off for these 20 minutes. अगर आपको लगता है कि मुझे completely aloof लेना है, otherwise I am here. My video is going to be on. So whatever is comfortable. Hi Poonam, we've just began. We started with a little meditation. I don't know if you can hear us. We can't see you.
I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. So we just actually spending next 20 minutes with our artwork, where we have to do something that makes us happy. You can draw that, you can color that, you can write about it. If you think there is some art that you would want to do, you can do that. For the next 20 minutes, we'll be completely silent. So you can begin. You can just get like a basic paper and colors if possible, or otherwise pen and pencils are also okay. So whoever is done, maybe we can just, be with that for like say another 2 minutes. We'll just wait for everyone else to finish. And if everyone has, just show me thumbs up if you're done, if you've finished that part. Okay.
Yeah, Vidhi, I am done.
All right. Great. I don't know about the others also because their cameras are off, but yes. Okay, everyone. So the next thing, what are we going to do is I'd really like all of y'all to share what you did in a way, and also most importantly, how you felt while you were doing it. So if you can also share your drawing and also what came up, what was the experience like. So you can just share that.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. 6th to 8th तक बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग करते थे. उसके बाद आज मौका मिला है वापस. बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, so even I do whatever I felt like I was drawing from childhood. So I draw a house which is made up of like alphabets. So that's it. So I was just remembering back my childhood. And then mountains, which I like most. So yeah, it was really calming. That's what I should say.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I believe कि there has to be something in everyone's life जो कि उन्हें help करता है heal करने में और cure करने में. So I believe for me, it is dance. I love dancing, and dance is my happy mood. This is the only thing which can bring out all the negativities, which lies inside me. So yes, I give a thumbs up to my dancing skills. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for sharing that. Yeah. Yes.
Like I am a grandmother of 4. I have 4 grandchildren, but they are all abroad. So due to COVID, I just couldn't meet them from the last 2 years. So just I have a desire. I have made one this tree under my 4 grandchildren, and I am just playing with them.
Ma'am, your camera is off. I think we're not able
I was not prepared with colors, so I have just drawn it with the pencil.
No problem, ma'am. No problem.
Just,
if all of us can just show the drawings together, if it is okay, I can just take a picture of it. If y'all are okay, then only.
Yeah.
All right, I'll just take a picture of it.
Just it's very light. I was not prepared for it, so
No
I just gave
worries,
my
ma'am.
4
No
children
worries.
a tree and a sun.
This is great. Yes. Super, super. Yeah, super. Yes. So, ma'am, how did you feel after drawing? Yes, I've taken a picture, and your pictures. Everybody's drawings look so happy. Yes. Okay. So I think that is the most important aspect of what we were, जो हम initially बात कर रहे थे कि why mental health is important. तो I think जब हम खुद से शुरू करते हैं तो हम mental health को और गहराई में समझ पाते हैं. And that is why we actually did this activity together. I just like to know from all of y'all, how many of y'all have आप लोग क्या करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए आप क्या करते हैं? इज देयर अ प्रैक्टिस जो आप कंसिस्टेंटली कर पाते हैं?
I practice Buddhism.
ओके ओके या
For
एनीवन
this, I
एल्स?
just chant morning and evening. Yeah.
ओके ओके ग्रेट, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग दैट मैम. या
मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उसका बुटीक है. तो मेरे को जब भी कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि आज अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है घर में, भजन सुन लिए, मन का बना के खा लिया, तो भी जब शांति नहीं मिलती तो मैं उसके पास जाके बैठ जाती हूँ. थोड़ी देर उसके पास बैठती हूँ, फिर उससे शेयर करती हूँ, कूल डाउन.
यस यस, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग दैट.
I do yoga and meditation every morning, so that's the only thing I do.
I used to meditate, I think, till last year, every day, morning or evening, whatever 10 minutes I can find. But I think off late, because of the job pressure and because of shifting here and there, that practice has been discontinued. But yeah, it takes, I think, a lot of effort to again go back to it. I've been like planning that for like a month now to go back to meditation. But surprisingly, taking out the 10 minutes doing nothing is so difficult. I mean, you always think, अच्छा ठीक है बाद में और बाद में कर लेंगे 10 minutes का meditation बाद में. Somehow that's just not happening. So yeah, something I would like want to go back to.
Great. Ayushi?
Generally, I talk and I listen. These are two things which I do continuously.
Right, right. Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you.
I believe that listening is something which is very much important. आप continuously नहीं बोल सकते. So listening is something which एक अंदर से एक interest generate करती है आपके अंदर, एक patience लाती है आपके अंदर. So yeah, I believe this कि सुनो और सुनाओ in a good way.
Right. Yeah, I think exactly. So I feel how we are taught to, like हम brush करना कैसे सीखते हैं कि it's a everyday thing. So mental health is also the same, that how can we have a practice जो हम consistently रोज कर सके. Anything. इसमें कोई compulsion नहीं है कि डांस करना है या वॉकिंग करना है या मेडिटेट करना है. बट मे बी द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स इज कि हम एवरी डे कोई ऐसी हैबिट जो हम खुद के लिए कर सके. एंड आर्ट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग जो हम मतलब ये दिमाग में होता है ना कि आर्ट मतलब इट हैज टू बी ब्यूटिफुल, इट हैज टू बी लाइक ऐसे दिखना चाहिए वैसा दिखना चाहिए. So I think that's what the most important part is, that art is not that. Art is something that makes you happy at the end of the day. And that is why we bring up these sessions where we actually want to do something like this. And I just have a little movement activity for all of us today where we'll just sit and do some movement. I'm going to play a music, and if you're comfortable, you can keep your videos on. That'll be nice. If you're not, it's okay. There is no compulsion. But it's just a music piece that we're going to do while we sit. Just let me know if you can hear the music. Just give me one moment. Okay. Right. Before that, just to sort of do like a warm up, I'd just like you to follow after me. Okay. So it is like clap, clap, snap. Clap, clap, snap. Okay. Clap, clap, snap. Clap, clap, snap. Faster. Clap, clap, snap. Clap, clap, snap. 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 Faster. Clap, snap, clap, snap, clap, snap. Okay. Great. So we are all sort of here with me. I know I did mention earlier that we might do like a little movement, but it just feels like to be in the flow. I know कि हमारे आसपास शायद लोग हो सकते हैं and हमें थोड़ा अगर awkward लग रहा है तो you can take a minute अगर आप कोई दूसरे रूम में जाना चाहते हैं. Just that कि आप ये experience पूरा अच्छे तरीके से कर पाए. It's just a small piece of music that I'm going to play now. And we're just doing some movement and I'll tell you why we are doing this in a bit. Okay. We'll just wait for Anjuji to come back. Once she is back, we can begin. Yes. I'll just play the music till then. Okay. Can you all hear the music? Okay, again, before we begin, there is no compulsion, there is no gracefulness. Just do this, just forget that anybody else is around. We're just doing this movement to sort of, reconnect to ourselves, rebuild that self within. And we're just dedicating this time for our own bodies, for our own self. We often forget everything, but we have time for everything, but not for our own bodies. So that's why today, very dedicatedly, we give this 3-4 minutes to just our body. Okay. This sit and do, I think that'll be more comfortable. Okay. We will start moving where we are, very slowly. You can have your own steps. It's okay if you don't copy me. I'll copy all of yours.
उधर अभी बाहर का 5 मिनट बंद होगा 5 मिनट बाद आना गेट बंद जा
finish our movement, and I'll invite all of y'all to just close your eyes for a few minutes. And I'm just going to take y'all through something. So just close your eyes. And the next few minutes, we're just going to be with ourselves. We're just telling ourselves how much we love our bodies, how much we're just there for our own bodies, how much we're just going to give love to our bodies. Let's imagine that we are all in this beautiful nature place where there are lots and lots of trees, a lot of breeze is flowing by. There is so much of greenery around. We can hear the water sound, the ripples of water. We can hear the birds chirping. Just by that peaceful little place. And we are imagining that we just there for each and every part within us. We're just calming ourselves, we're just relaxing our entire body. Relaxing our entire body, our nerves, our hands, our fingers, each and every face muscle. We're relaxing our shoulders, relaxing each and every nerve in the body, everything that's within us. Relaxing our hands, our legs, our thighs, our foot. While we are at this beautiful nature loving place, just trying to be with ourselves more and more, understand ourselves a little more than what we knew about us earlier, giving ourselves the time and the energy and the love that we really, really need. And very, very slowly, we imagine that we go near that door and we just splash some water on our face, very, very gently, with all the love that we have for ourselves, for everyone around, for each one present today here on the screen, sitting from different places. We inhale so much of love and positivity from around us for our own self. We fill our glasses first, and as we exhale, we bring out so much love to each other. each one of us here in our families, around us, in and around us. One more time, we inhale so much of things that we would want for today. We have a day ahead of us. Let's inhale patience, the energy that we will need for today. And let's exhale the same for everyone else through the day. Very, very slowly, we rub our hands against each other and we bring them closer to our face. Very, very slowly, we come back to the present. Take a few moments to just connect back as we just came back from a meditative space. It's okay, we can have a minute of silence and then we can just reconnect back. All right. So if we can just maybe unmute or put your cameras on, just share of how are you feeling. It'll be really nice. We'll list from all of y'all actually.
It was undoubtedly great. Although मैं continuously कर रही थी, but somehow मेरा door knock हुआ और कोई अंदर आ गया तो मुझे थोड़ा सा पहले ही switch off करना पड़ा सब कुछ. But yeah, जितना भी जहाँ तक भी I reached, it was good. अच्छा लगा अंदर से. The best part. Yes, win-win situation.
Thank you, Ayushi, for sharing that. Oh, Anjali seems to be going somewhere. Okay, all right. We would not disturb you while you're driving. We'd rather want if you can put the video off. That would
No,
be safe.
I'm listening you and
Okay.
I want to gain from you. अभी मेरा आधा घंटे का रन है तो मैं आराम से सुनूंगी आपको.
Okay, all right, all right.
It was really
Yes.
nice, very soothing. I really enjoyed.
Thank you for sharing that.
It was very nice session, and I think yeah, all my happy hormones are right now like released, and I'm like really feeling happy.
It was really nice. Like, yeah, I think after ages, I have picked up pen and paper, trying to draw something, or be it randomly sitting in front of your system and dancing. Yeah, so it was like very fun doing these things.
Thank you for sharing that, Shrishti. Yeah, I think we often don't do all this because we are either very busy or that's not on the priority, or maybe if we want to, हमारे पास time नहीं होता है. And yeah, so we often say that mental health is not that, like mental illness doesn't come from one day. It accumulates every single day, and that is where the mental health balance goes. And that's how we really encourage everyone that it's better. Yeah, everyone can have their own practice. मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि you have to go speak to a counselor. But if you have any sort of practice which keeps you happy, nothing like that, like a consistent habit which can be going all through the time, that'll be really, really nice. And yeah, I keep doing such sessions. These sessions are more for everyone to connect to themselves. अगर हम खुद को जानते हैं, so that'll always be nice. And once we get into the process of knowing ourselves and understanding ourselves, that would be really amazing. So that's one thing that I really encourage कि हम सब लोग ये चीजें कर सकते हैं. And of all what you all shared, Abhi, it was really beautiful listening to each one of you all. क्योंकि आई थिंक जैसे सृष्टि बोल रही थी ना कि हम यूजुअली ये सब करते नहीं हैं, हम एक सेटअप होते हैं जहाँ हम ये सारी चीजें नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई वी होल्ड सच सेशंस टुगेदर जहाँ पे हम कुछ चीजें जो अलग हो हम वो चीजें कर पाए एवरी डे, एंड जस्ट टू कीप आवर मेंटल हेल्थ sane, just to keep our mental health at its own place. That is why we do such things. Yeah. If anybody has any questions or would like to share anything, we can always do that.
I want to share one thing. Yeah, after my cancer journey, मैंने अपने आप को प्यार करना और अपने सबसे कीमती रिश्तों को बनाए रखना at any cost, उनसे बिना किसी अपेक्षा के. तो इससे मेरे को बहुत शांति मिली है. और जब हम किसी से अपेक्षा ही बंद कर देते हैं तो हम दुखी तो होते ही नहीं है. और जिस भी मोमेंट में हो उसको एंजॉय करना, बच्चों के साथ बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय करना, और बुजुर्गों के साथ रहने से आपको काफी चेंजेस मिलेंगे आपकी लाइफ में. अपनी उम्र में तो हम रहते ही हैं, बट हम ना तो बच्चों को टाइम देते हैं इतना, उनको अपने बच्चों को तो नहीं दिया, पर जो भी बच्चा मिल जाए उसके साथ अगर आप एंजॉय कर पाए तो आप देवी या देवता के पास खेल रहे होते हैं. ये मैंने महसूस किया कि भगवान जी उस रूप में आके आपको एंजॉयमेंट देते हैं. ये मैंने महसूस किया. तो उसके साथ हंसो, उसको गुदगुदी मचाओ, तो आप बहुत चेंज पाओगे अपने आप में. आप भूल जाओगे कि आपको कुछ हुआ भी था. थैंक यू.
Thank you for sharing that. Yeah. Yeah, actually that's important. Ki the process is more important where we can give time to ourselves first, and then actually how can we reach out more to the community in terms of, and how we can just be more productive and be more consistent in doing things. So आज एक छोटा सा सेशन का ग्लिम्स था जहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा मूवमेंट किया, हमने थोड़ा आर्ट किया, एंड ऐसे आप दिन में अपने लिए मे बी अगर 10 मिनट भी निकाल सकते हैं, सो जस्ट वो भी चलेगा. आप यू कैन ईदर एनी प्रैक्टिस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कोई एक ही प्रैक्टिस करना जरूरी है, बट एनी प्रैक्टिस दैट यू कैन डू, दैट विल बी रियली नाइस, एंड वी कैन कंसिस्टेंटली कीप डूइंग दैट. So yeah, that's something from my end I'd like to share. If anybody has any questions, Ayushi, आप initially बोल रहे थे something about mental health. So if you'd like to have anything, if you'd like to share about it, we have 5 minutes. We can always do that. You're on mute.
Okay, so I just wanted to ask you, like, how did you get into this profession? Like art therapy, आपने आप बताया कि that you're not a certified art therapist, but you started this. So what was that specific reason which motivated you to get into this? I mean, I know it's something which is personal, but I believe that if it is okay with you, you can share your journey.
Yeah, absolutely. So I had taken, when I was doing my bachelor's, I had taken English literature, psychology. बट तब तक मुझे इंग्लिश आई लव राइटिंग, सो मुझे जर्नलिज्म एंड ये सब में जाना था. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग साइकोलॉजी, आई वाज लाइक नो, दिस इज अ ग्रेट फील्ड, and I always have a lot of friends and everyone, so and they would always keep telling their problems. So my mom would always tell me कि जब देखो तब सुनती रही है, she would always say. So then that really motivated me, and then my brother is the biggest source for me to get into it, because his life was not really okay, and we saw a lot of down phases for him. So that's when I realized, if I can help someone, why not? And that's how my journey began. And then I did different courses. I did dance movement therapy from this, then I did movement, then I did art based and all of that. So it's like a culmination of like a lot of things. So
Right.
that's how I got into it.
So it was told to us that you worked with NGOs
Yeah.
specifically. So could you please share any such example जहाँ पर आपको आप किसी को काउंसलिंग कर रहे हो, किसी को हेल्प दे रहे हो, बट वो केस इतना ज्यादा क्रिटिकल हो कि सामने वाला जो इंडिविजुअल है वो आपको सुनने की कोशिश ना कर रहा हो, या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीज जो आपको कोई ऐसा केस होता है, ऑब्वियसली हुआ होगा जो आप भूल भी नहीं सकते, बट उसने हैम्पर किया हो काफी आपको बाद में.
Yeah, so actually, I work majorly with kids battling through, or like surviving cancer, and I work majorly with their parents and the kids both. So parents के साथ काम करना थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है because they just have one question कि हमारी क्या गलती है कि हमारे बच्चों को कैंसर हुआ है. So they are in that thought process. But it's been a beautiful process. I would say it's been very challenging, no doubt, because unko samjhana, more than samjhana, I think I just listen. I just ask them questions and they talk for like good 1 hour. They just have so much to share. So yeah, मतलब ऐसे होते हैं moments जब वो लोग share करते हैं and then they're like कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, अभी हम दोबारा आए हैं ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, लास्ट टाइम बात हुआ था, डॉक्टर्स ने कहा ठीक हो जाएगा, नहीं हो रहा है. Sometimes they get so frustrated, they're like क्या है ये सब and everything, and then you have to sort of just, I honestly don't even calm them down. I just let them talk.
Let them speak. Let them speak.
Let just vent out कि एक बार आप आपके सिस्टम से बाहर निकाल लीजिए, फिर वो चीजें ठीक हो जाएगी. So that's how I think I bridged that gap for them, but it's very challenging. And when you look at the kids, they are like, "Didi, hum theek ho jayenge na," and what do you tell them? So it's challenging, but it's also interesting. Beautiful stories come up. I just like to share one because we have 2 minutes more. There was this, I really fear injections, and there are these kids. I was having a listening circle like this with them, and they're like, इंजेक्शन से क्या होता है, हम तो दिन में इतने लगाते हैं, आप इतने बड़े हो के इंजेक्शन से क्या डरते हो, and they would come up with stories like this about fear. So we would have different topics and we would talk about that. So I think it's more on the listening end, but it's a beautiful experience. It's been a beautiful journey with them, and it still continues. Like I still continue working for them. So
right. So like kids के साथ interact करते time ही कई सारे topics निकल ही जाते होंगे.
Yeah.
Right. That was great. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for being a part of this workshop, and thank you. I would really like to thank Annie for this opportunity, and of course Zenko. I know Dimple has been a great friend, and we've like crossed paths multiple times. So I know the amazing work she keeps doing. A lot of power to her and to all of you all.
मुझे भी डिम्पल जी को बहुत थैंक्स देना है कि आप सब लोगों से मिलने का हर सैटरडे और अब तो वीक के बीच में भी मिलने का मौका मिल रहा है. तो ये हमको बहुत, हम जैसे सर्वाइवर एंड वॉरियर्स को बहुत हिम्मत देता है. और गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल जो आप लोग हम लोगों के इनर पेन को पहचानते हो. हर कोई के बूते की बात नहीं होती कि जब तक उस चीज से गुजरे नहीं, उसके बिना भी आप लोग पहचान लेते हो. मैंने भी बच्चों को देखा है, उनके बोन में वो लगाते थे इंजेक्शन, उनकी आवाजें सुनी है रोते हुए. मेरी जब कीमोथेरेपी चलती थी तो उस समय यही लगता था कि वास्तव में इन बच्चों ने क्या बिगाड़ा है जो इनके हुआ है. तो मैंने भी कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा, किसी का हो गया तो हो गया. उस चीज से मैं ऊपर निकल के आई उन बच्चों को देख के कि कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हमको हमारे किए की सजा मिल रही है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. हमको नहीं पता हमने क्या खाया, उस चीज की भी तो सजा मिल सकती है.
True. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for sharing that, Anjuji. I think we keep having certain experiences in different ways. So yeah. Thank you everyone. Annie, can we end?
Yeah, we will end now.
there anything else? Yeah.
Thank you everyone for being a part of this session today, and thank you Vidya so much. That was a really wonderful session. I did really like it so much because I have been like being a part of all these sessions, and the first time I think I'm moving from my chair. So that's really good. Such a wonderful session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vidhi ma'am. Thanks, Annie.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.